right, you guys, so you know it's real when I'm sitting on the couch. You know there's real talks, real conversations. So I killed my YouTube channel. Very simply put, your girl basically stopped paying attention. I was so busy with everything else I had going on, I was not paying attention. I want to tell you guys some key things that I didn't pay attention to that you should if you're trying to keep your coins. So maybe you've been noticing lately your CPM is low. Maybe not even your CPM. You've just been noticing you haven't been making as much money as you thought you should be making, because at one point in time you were bringing in over $1,000, or maybe just 800, or maybe 400, or whatever you were bringing in, and now all of a sudden it's not coming in. When the last time you looked at your analytics? When the last time have you looked at any of the copyrights that have come against your channel? I'll wait. Go look at them now. Just pause me. Go look at it now. So let me tell you about one thing that I did not pay attention to. I was told in the beginning of my YouTube channel that I could literally use any version of a song that I wanted to, as long as I kept it under the 20-second rule. So if I kept it under 20 seconds, I wouldn't get a copyright. Lies they tell, and they told me, because this went on for years, and sometimes I would get a strike, sometimes I wouldn't. I'd have this bomb intro and it'd be amazing, and boom, copyright. Previously, it didn't really matter to me because I had never had a video to like do any really big numbers. Okay, I was growing, you know what I'm saying? I was growing a little something, but I hadn't had it to really like take off. Then one day, it was October, August, September, sometime between that time period, a July video began to pop. And not just one July video, but 2 videos popped. And guess what your girl had in those videos? I had a song. Ba-da-da-dee, a-bee-dee, ba-doop boop boop. A boot up, okay? I had that song at the beginning of my videos, but it wasn't like the whole song. It was literally just the dun, 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 dun. Okay, so I thought I was good, but Warren Campbell, I think it was Warren, I like to blame him for everything. Warren Campbell said, no, you can't have this song on your thing, but if you want to keep it, it's making us some money, I'm gonna let you have it for a small fee. Okay, now I don't know how they divide up this yet small fee, okay, but just know I didn't pay attention when they came back and hit me with the strike. It didn't happen immediately. It almost happened probably like months later down the road, because I was already making money on the video. It was amazing. I was doing numbers. I was buying cars. I was buying purses. Okay, I really wasn't, but just imagine I was making a lot more money than what I was. So I'm gonna show you in the month of September what it's gonna like pop up here on the screen somewhere. I'll pop it here or something. I was down to $200, okay? Because somewhere between January and the summertime, they began to take my money, half of my money. And I wasn't paying attention because, again, that wasn't the only video still doing good. All of my videos were still doing well. But at this time, bada bada boo boo. So whenever Ella May got mad at Jacqueline, I guess she got mad at every single YouTuber. Her and old boy got mad, and they went on a rampage, okay? And I missed it. I was busy. I was planning a whole retreat for peoples, okay? So I had my own stuff going on, wasn't paying attention, and they was taking my money. So I realized, I was like, well, maybe it's just because I'm busy. You know, I've been busy. I haven't been posting as much. Maybe that's why my money is going down. No, it's because they gave me a copyright, not a strike, but a copyright claim. So anytime you get one of these claims, you need to go through to your channel, erase that sound bit, and you can go into the studio and literally mute that part of it out, especially if you've been using it just as an intro. You can go to that video right now. I'll have it linked up here somewhere, and you can see I literally just took it out of there. Like it didn't serve any purpose. I mean, other than getting you guys to like enjoy coming to my channel and being like, ba da 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 boo doo, you're at my channel. Other than that, it was nothing, okay? So if you think about it, I literally was losing money for months because I missed the email, okay? Or I overlooked the email, didn't pay it any attention, didn't think about it. So when you get them emails from YouTube, pay attention to them emails, okay? Because they're probably trying to tell you something that you didn't realize that you didn't know in the first place. Just pay attention. Learn from my mistake, okay? So that's number one. When you get those emails, go in and change it. That doesn't mean you have to, what? Doesn't mean you have to completely erase your video. Just erase the portion out of there and explain it down in the description that YouTube was tripping or that the artist was tripping. You ain't mean no harm. You liked a little funky song and thought it'd be cute. That's it. Hello, can you hear me? All right, so you guys wanna know the other way I killed my channel? Literally, I was inconsistent. I did not consistently post my videos because I was busy. I had a lot going on. Literally up to here with things. I'm a full-time worker, career woman. I'm a whole mama out here. Church, law-abiding citizen. I got ish to do. Sometimes I don't have time to post a video, okay? So inconsistency will affect your coins, and what I didn't realize is that those short breaks that I needed to take for my mental health was going to kill my channel, and that's exactly what it did. So the less you post, the less YouTube cares, because YouTube is like that real loving, adoring person you meet and you're like, oh my gosh, we vibe, we click, we see each other. But the moment you don't have time for YouTube, it's like that. Remember when Helga, no, that's a terrible example. I was finna go into Hey Arnold. It's really like that really good relationship in the beginning, and once the honeymoon phase goes away, because now you guys realize you actually have real life going on, you need to focus on your real life, that becomes a thing. And YouTube does not like when you're not consistent with them. This is now your boyfriend. This is now your husband, your side piece. Because some of y'all treat y'all side pieces better than y'all treat y'all spouses. No tea, no shade. But YouTube is now your partner. And when you don't give your partner what he wants, your partner is like, oh, well, there's this new hot thing out here. We're gonna promote them because they're posting more consistently. So how do you be consistent? How do you break through those times when you just don't feel like recording? I don't have an answer for you, but I had an answer for me. And that idea was to bulk record and to reduce the amount of videos that I put out there so that I was more consistent. If I put out 3 videos a week and I do it consistently, YouTube knows I'm gonna post 3 to 4 videos a week. So they don't just be like, ah, we got you, you good. They're gonna make me fight. We ain't gotta fight each other. They're gonna be like, oh, okay, so she got a couple more videos. I know that a break is gonna come up. If I know that I'm gonna be super swamped, I need to bulk record on the weekend so that I have the content, because a lot of times it's more so just figuring out what to record and making sure you record it so that you can have the content to edit during those times when you can't record. There are just some days my life I just can't pick up this camera or this camera. I can't do it. Like I just can't. I cannot. To combat that, bulk recording is what happens. And then you have content forever and ever that you can go back to and produce whenever you need to have some extra videos to edit. I like timeless green videos. I call them green. I know it's evergreen, but who are me to judge? Create some evergreen videos. It doesn't matter when you post it. Those videos will always do well. Even if they don't do well today, they'll do well in the long run, but you still posted a video. So YouTube sees you and they're like, oh, she's consistent. We like consistency. Consistency. I need some stability and some consistency. Sidebar, this microphone is actually not on for this camera. This is just here as a prop because I think it's cool and I use this for my other camera. But anyways, I just gave you guys the real tea on how I killed my YouTube channel. Now I'm back up to, I went from $200 as you guys saw here, and now I'm back up to $10 or $6, whatever this screenshot shows you of how I built it back up within 28 days. And it was all through being mindful of my analytics, being mindful of my consistency, and making sure that I tag the right stuff. Make sure you fill out that description box. Make sure you link other videos. Like, listen, all it takes, y'all finna make me do my Fire in the Arms of the Angel video. In the arms of the angel. All it takes literally is for you to fill out your description box and make sure it's relevant. If you want people to find your videos, you want YouTube to promote, they gotta know how to promote you. How else are they gonna know where to put you if you don't fill out your box? Daggone census. Ain't that what it's called, census? But anyways, I just told you guys how I killed my channel, brought it back to life, and now I am excited to keep going with YouTube. I kind of got a little bit of a recipe that I know that I can use for myself, and that's being consistent with what I can do. My capacity matters. Your capacity matters. If you find a lot of YouTubers are suffering from depression and all of that stuff, it's because we sit behind a camera and no one's here, and I'm talking to people that don't even know I'm really talking to them right now. They don't understand. And it's easier to talk to a camera than it is to talk to real life people. So then you get stuck behind a camera camera, but then you forget you don't have any ideas. So now you're here, trying to figure out how you can bring your channel back to life or just be a real person. Understand your capacity. Plan your videos out. It's okay to plan a video. Even if you vlog, plan out what you're gonna do for the week so that you already know and you have an idea. You can probably take care of 2 or 3 vlogs in a day if you're planning out your content. That's gonna help you a lot. Look, I give you tips and trips and things like that all day long. But what I am gonna say is be consistent, know your analytics, plan your content. That's it. That's it, guys. Seriously. No, seriously. That's the key. That's how you do it. That's how you get the monies. That's how you get the coins. Coinage. Okay, now I gotta go because I actually gotta do something constructive with my life. Like run these machines right here or possibly making another video so that I don't have to make more videos about how I killed my YouTube channel. Okay, guys? I love you so much. In real life, you already know what it is. KK, bye. Oh, look at that mic.